Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Welcome to Sodor, sir.
I am Henry. Yes, Henry. I am
Rastafarian has the Tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man!
Oh no! Something's wrong!
What? Look out!
No, you had!
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now! Hello, face! Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Comes a nice fresh pour!
Pour it on!
Oh, ho! You got
Black wall tires, they blend into the pavement. But these...
Jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons come out.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Refueled and back in the race. You are way behind.
Thanks, guys. You saved my tail out there. Victory!
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
I can't stop!
Let's go! Lightning Dragon Fireball!
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars have got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, get these things off of me!
Kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this? Like what? So happy.
Oh, is that right? Then why don't we just have a little race, me and you?
What?
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
The glorious jewel strung on the necklace of Route 66. The Mother Road.
No, you are not winning this.
Ah, you're angry.
I am not angry.
Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass. McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Thanks, guys. Nice paint.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
It's fun to show off what you can do, but too much showing up.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
En route. Trooper responded. Where's Vader? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for me.
Boy, we sound pretty good. Let's get a gig.